Margarete Müller. Margarete Müller, born 18 February 1931, is a German retired politician who was a member of the State Council of East Germany and, between 1963 and 1989, of the Central Committee of the Socialist Unity Party of Germany (SED). She was a candidate member of the SED politburo until the end of the one-party system. Life. Müller was born in Neustadt, Upper Silesia, into a working-class family. She was forced to move to Mecklenburg after the Second World War and became a tractor driver. In 1951, Müller joined the SED. She studied agricultural science in Demmin and at the University of Leningrad until 1958. She then worked at an LPG collective farm near Galenbeck. In January 1963, Müller joined the Central Committee ZK of the SED and a candidate non-voting member of the Politburo. She was also elected to the Volkskammer. Then, in 1971, she was appointed to the State Council, East Germany's collective head of state. She held responsibility for agriculture, forestry, and food production. She led a cooperative Abteilung Pflanzen production 1972-1976 and an Agrarindustrie Vereinigung 1976. Müller resigned along with the entire Politburo in 1989 during the Peaceful Revolution and resigned from the State Council and Volkskammer in January 1990. She was expelled from the SED-PDS. Awards. Müller received several significant awards and honors: Patriotic Order of Merit in Silver 1964, Banner of Labor 1969, Order of Karl Marx 1974, Patriotic Order of Merit in Gold 1981, Clara Zetkin Medal, Medal of Merit of the GDR, Archer Becker Medal in Gold, References